Hi, we're the Meatpacking District. I'm Marcia Sherrill, and what's fabulous is that we're at Calypso. Calypso actually started as a very small resort collection, and it was just teeny tiny. It was way before the advent of the tunic and the sort of Moroccan, Turkish influenced clothing for the American design scene. And so it was really in the forefront of that whole thinking about loungewear, resort wear becoming like mainstream. And from a little teeny tiny store in New York, they've grown into this worldwide global luxury brand. So Calypso really is much more than just a tunic or, a caftan that, resonates of Morocco and Peggy Guggenheim in her villa wandering around the 30s. It's much more about clothes that are incredibly wearable. They're still inspired by that spirit of the resort and the resort living, but they're for urban living, and that's why they have several stores, and this exciting store in the Meatpacking District in New York is just one perfect example of it. The clothes are totally wearable. There's day wear, basics, classics, still everything